all on the drawings in Thinkorswim. So the drawing tools are found down here in the bottom right corner. All these are the drawing tools, or under here, you can go to drawing tools there. The first thing that we want to check though is in the settings to make sure that your snap drawings are where you want them to snap to. I like the OHLC, which is open, high, lower, close, or basically just the top or the bottom of a candle. So I'm going to click that one, hit apply. All of these can be customized, but I'm only going to go over a few of them that are the most important ones that I use every day. First is the trend line. That is this one right here. And you'll notice that the snap will snap to that candle because of that setting. And then you'll notice that it follows each candle and it's snapping to them. And then I click again and I've made my drawing. I can edit the properties by right clicking on the line, hitting edit properties, and then you can change whatever you want on here, the color, the style, being dashes, you can change the width, you can change the name, the extension, and another thing is the label on this one. When I hover over it right now, it'll show that label right there that gives me some information. You can change that to be on always or never. Whenever you have it the way that you want it, just click save as default, and then it will do that every single time that you draw the trend line. Another one that's important is the price level. The price level just simply draws a price level like that. One I use all the time is Fibonacci retracements. In Fibonacci retracements, we can go like this to here. And a cool trick in Fibonacci is if you hold Control, it will take away a line at a time without having to delete the entire drawing. And then other options, if you right click on it, you can see that you can activate the drawing, which means you can just move it. You can duplicate the drawing, which will duplicate it. You can remove the drawing altogether. If you want to get rid of all of your drawings completely, you click clear drawing set. And this will clear all the drawings that you just did. Hit yes. It'll clear all the drawings so that you have a clean slate. And you can play around with the other drawing tools that are in here, see which ones you like the most, which ones will help you, but let us know if you have any questions about the drawings. Thanks.